Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by booting directly to repair media because Windows recovery on a damaged installation won't run from the broken system. Insert your Windows 7 USB or DVD, then reboot and press the BIOS key. Once in firmware, set the USB/DVD as first boot and save changes. Make sure to disconnect extra drives to avoid accidental formatting. This gets you straight to the Windows recovery environment, where you can run the specific repair tools that follow. Do not log into the broken Windows yet. You now use targeted commands to repair the boot process and file system. Open command prompt from System Recovery Options. First run bootrec/fixmber to restore a clean master boot record, then bootrec/fixboot to rewrite the boot sector. Next run bootrec/rebuild to rebuild the boot configuration data. If Windows installations are found, add them. If disks show corruption, run chkdsk/f/r on the system partition to repair bad sectors. You finish by removing the repair media and restarting to test whether Windows boots normally. If it does, make a fresh backup immediately and run sfc/scanno inside Windows to verify system file integrity. If boot still fails, boot back to recovery and run startup repair at least twice. Then review disk health with smart tools. Failing disks often cause recurring errors. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, clone the drive first, then attempt repairs on the clone to avoid irreversible data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.